Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Lately I've been slacking off, so to pick up the pace, I thought I would be doing uh, lead code problems more frequently, and I'm trying to achieve my goal quicker. So the playlist we are currently not playlist, the list we are currently doing is sliding, all sliding windows currently, and I filtered it according to the difficulty level. So let today we'll be doing lead code 431. It is arithmetic slices. So let's start it. The problem statement is an integer array is called arithmetic if it contains at least three elements. Okay, and if the difference between any two consecutive elements is the same. Okay. So if we consider an array arithmetic, then it should have at least three elements, and the difference between any two consecutive elements is the same. The consecutive elements are 1 3 3 5 5 7 7 9 and so on. For example, 1 3, the difference between 3 and 1 is 2, 5 and 3 is 2, 7 and 5 is 2, and 9 and 7 is 2, and the length of the array is greater than 3. I mean, it's 5. Same goes for this. uh, 7 minus 7 is 0, 7 minus 7 is 0, 7 minus 7 is 0, and 3 minus 1 is 2. The difference is 2. Okay, minus 1 minus 5 is minus of minus plus. So sorry guys. So 3 minus 1, 3 minus of minus 1 is 4, that is 2. Let's count it back: 2, 1, 0, and minus 1, so total 4. And similarly, uh, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and from minus 5 to minus 9, it's how much it is? Minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. So we are given an integer array nums. Okay, return the number of arithmetic subarrays of num. So the he asked the number, guys. So one, the difference between these two is okay. We cannot consider two sized array, so we'll be starting from three. So 1 2 3 is one, and 2 3 4 is one, and 1 2 3 4 is one, and it's not considered, so it will be zero. And let's check the constants. The length of the array will be 1 to 5000, and then elements will be between minus 1000 and 1000, minus 1000 to 1000. Guys, one heck of a problem it is. Let's try to solve as quick as possible and discuss the intuition. So how do we solve it? So we'll be starting from 3. So 3 comma. Okay. So 1 2 3. If the first three are fine, yes, we can do it in one way. That is, so it should be 3, right? So the whole array is Three, two, one. Five, six, seven, eight, one, two, one. Let's keep a difference thing. Length of this is less than 3. Then it should be 0, right? Okay. Um, um, so this 0, 1, 2. Let's check. Let's try this. Oh, it's 2. Uh, oh, 2, 3. 8, 6, 6, 1, 1, 3. So usually r minus l plus 1 is 2 and r is 1. We check the 2 3 combination and 3 4 combination. Let's test it, test case. 5. Let's test it out. 15 minus 6, how much are we missing? So answer plus equals to, initially it's 2. I think should keep it 1, guys. Something is missing, guys. So what are we doing here? Initial r minus l will be r minus l is greater than 2 or equal to 2. 0. 1 minus 0 will be 1. 2 minus 0 will be 2. So 3, 2. So this is r minus l plus 1, guys. Also, we have to test other scenarios like these. Also, minus, it's fine until here. 1, 6, 8, 10, 3. Oh my god. Guys, uh, we often, not we, so we have spent, I think, around 3 to 5 minutes trying to resolve the issue. It's better to ask help than sitting idle and plucking our hair. So let's take some assistance and see what happens for it, this one. You can rely on ChatGPT, but not too much. So don't directly ask the answer. Rather, uh, ask it such that you can empower yourself. At least that's what I believe. My PC is getting hotter, guys, so that's why uh, we're facing this lag, I guess. Right. See, you are definitely in the right direction by using the difference of knowledge of others. That's why to help you debug and refine your understanding, here are some nudges rather than a direct fix. With Elena, you ask yourself, you are keeping track of the start of a valid arithmetic sequence correctly. Does your update to only answer you are including all slices? Think about sequences like 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 3 arithmetic slices. In your code capturing is your code capturing all of those? The formula you are using. But is that how we count slices in an arithmetic sequence? What's the number of slices in a length and is there a combinatorial formula for that formula that might help here? The difference if you are comparing elements with the number of elements, number one, but at least static. Oh God, how did I miss this, guys? That's why you're facing so much issue. How did we miss this, guys? We kept it, we changed it from I to L instead of I to R. I think that's why I can't able to find any relation. Well, looking some bit. Let's try to adjust it. So it's giving 3, and in this case it's giving 18. So let's check this from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So, so initially what L is 0 and R is 1, and the difference is 1. So later we will be going to and later we will be checking 2 and 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. So it's fine. And R is 1, 3. Here R will be 1, and if this is valid, guys, then we have to check 1. If this is valid, guys, I think we cracked it. Also we have to include some oddballs, I mean all test cases, which will be 1, 3, 7, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. Guys, it's working fine. 1:2 okay. So this is it. Well, guys, it seems we are working fine with this. So let me submit it and we'll get to you about the intuition. Hmm? Well, guys, we worked it out finally. So what we are doing is initially we are handling the edge case. If the length of the numbers is less than 3, we will be returning 0, because as the description suggests, it should have at least 3 elements. And initially we are recording the difference for the first 2 elements, and we are keeping a pointer, I mean a left pointer, to uh, to check the length of the substring until that point, and we initialize the answer to 0. Now what we are doing is, since we have checked 0 and 1 here, we are starting from first index. So, and also uh, we are checking r plus 1th index, so we are avoiding the last index, because if we included it also, then we will encounter a index out of index error. So here we are checking if the difference is changing or not. If the difference changes, then we are updating the left pointer with the right, and we are recording the distance just like here. We are recording the distance just like here, and we are continuing because we just considered 2 elements currently. And if the difference is greater than, I mean the difference is equal, then also we are checking if r minus l is greater than or equal to 1, because if I think we don't need this condition, guys, because in scenario where r and l are same, we are continuing it. So I think we can ditch this out and check if it is working as it is, right? So uh, I hope you guys understand the intuition and the problem. So keep working hard, guys, and keep your goal straight.